Hi, if you've never heard of Learnworlds before or have spent ages searching the internet for a trustworthy review, you've come to the right place. We've taken a detailed look at what Learnworlds offers, its interface, and the quality of its customer service. Hopefully, with all this information at your disposal, you'll be in a better position to judge whether Learnworlds is the right course creation solution for you. So watch this video till the end so you don't miss out and a lot of interesting and useful information. So what is Learnworlds? Learnworlds is a platform that allows individual entrepreneurs, educators, and companies to create and sell online courses. Its main selling point is that it offers many ways to interact and engage with your students. Learnworlds allows you to use different types of content in your courses. Thus, you can add videos, audio files, PDFs, ebooks, quizzes, surveys, and even Scrum and HTML5 files to your courses. As for videos, you get unlimited video hosting as a part of your subscription. In addition, you can also easily use externally hosted video from Wistia, Vimeo, or your course lessons. In addition, Learnworlds offers several powerful features for adding interactive content to your courses. The first is the ability to host live sessions via Zoom. Learnworlds has a built-in integration with Zoom that allows you to set up a live session from within the platform. The good thing about this setup is that your students don't need to download the Zoom app and they can attend your live sessions from inside the course area. The second, interactive video, which allows you to edit videos on the fly and add interactive elements to them. With interactive video, you can easily add questions, titles, buttons, forms, and so on top of your video, and this can be very handy for providing great learning. Another such feature is interactive ebooks. With interactive ebooks, you can create a well-formatted ebook within Learnworlds, and the best part is that your student can even take personalized notes in the ebooks and highlight passages of text. When it comes to creating your course structure, you can have two levels, sections and lesson in your course. Sections are for organization purposes only, and lesson add actual content. Once you add a new lesson, you'll be asked to select the lesson type, after which you can upload your content to the lesson. What's more, you can easily rearrange lessons or move them between different sections by dragging and dropping them. In addition, there are various settings created through the interface, and it may take you a while to figure it all out. The course player is where your students will watch your content, so its design has a big impact actually on their learning. The default course player theme is well designed in terms of user interaction. You have a large content area on the right where your videos and other content will be displayed. Your users can see their progress as well as start a discussion in the sidebar on the left. And you can even enable an option where the user can see all other students enrolled in the course. As for navigating the course, your student can use the table of contents available in the left panel. They can also use the previous and next button in the top header to navigate. And then your users also have the option to completely hide the left sidebar and go into full screen mode, which is great. As for the ability to customize the course player, there are 5 course player skins available that allow you to change the appearance of the player. You also have full control over what items appear in your course player. For example, you can show and hide the course title, progress bar, approximate lecture completion time, course students, and so on. Finally, the default course player adapts to mobile devices, and your users can view your content from any mobile browser. While Learnworlds does not offer a native mobile app for your learners at their highest price point, you can get a custom app designed for your institution for an additional fee. Learnworlds offers several other useful tools for content delivery. The first is content drip. So in addition to being able to provide immediate access, you can also add content on a schedule. The schedule can either be based on specific dates or student enrollment. The second feature is designed to create learning trajectories and course matching, and it allows course creators to control how students move through the course lessons. You can enable sequential navigation, in which a student has to complete each unit of study before they can move on the next. or you can also set certain lessons as prerequisites. Alternatively, you can define conditions under which a lesson can be marked as completed. For example, you can make your students watch a certain percentage of video lessons or pass an exam before they can move on. There's another content delivery feature, and it has to do with content protection. So you can add a watermark on top of your videos and PDFs, as well as include the name of the institution or the user's email address. This is a very useful feature for copyright protection because it prevents file sharing, and not many platforms offers this feature. If your course requires you to regularly access your students' progress, Learnworlds can help you. You have the ability to create both basic quizzes and advanced level exams. So you can create exams with automatic grading and set a passing grade and customize exam requirements such as time, retakes, error displays, and so on. You can even create a question bank and use it to create randomized exams. You also have the ability to create ungraded tests or open-ended questions that an administrator or instructor can review and grade manually. In addition to creating quizzes, you can also create assignments, and your users can submit a written answer or upload a file. As an instructor, you can grade assignments and leave feedback. When it comes to creating certificates, you have the option to upload a PDF template to Learnworlds, and it takes care of everything else. The good thing is that you can display things like username, date, exam score, credits, unique identifier, and so on in your certificates. Also, you can decide when the certificate will be issued to your students, so you can issue a certificate when the user passes all the exams, or only the final exam, or completes all the course lessons. So you'll need to first use a third-party PDF editor to design the certificate template before you can upload it to Learnworlds. As for our website design and setup, you get unlimited hosting and free SSL certificate for your website as a part of your subscription to get started. Plus, you don't have to worry about keeping your school secure and up to date because their team takes care of those things on the back end. By default, your school uses the Learnworlds subdomain, but you can use your own domain if you want. As far as actual site building tools go, Learnworlds has a feature called Site Flavors that let you quickly change the look of your website. For starters, you can choose from a library of 8 site themes, and the style will be applied to their entire site with a single click. You can also work with the site theme in the background and activate it only when you're ready. What's more, Learnworlds has a drag-and-drop page builder that you can use to create new pages from scratch or customize existing pages without touching a single line of code. The Learnworlds page builder is good because there are several ready-made page blocks that you can use to display a hero section, course syllabus, reviews, FAQs, pricing tables, email forms, and so on. In addition, each page block has several pre-designed templates that you can add to your page with a single click. One useful feature is Magic Templates, which allows you to easily switch the template for a page block without losing content. Overall, Learnworlds page builder is easy to use and gives you great flexibility to create beautiful pages for your school website, even if you have no programming skills. In addition to the ability to create a website, Learnworlds also has a built-in blogging feature that allows you to create and maintain your own blog on the platform. With Learnworlds, you can sell your courses individually or as a part of a package, and you can charge a one-time fee, payment plan, or recurring subscription. As for recurring subscription, you can create both monthly and annual subscription. In fact, you can create subscription of any length because Learnworlds allow you to define a payment cycle in multiple days, weeks, and months. You also have the option to create a free trial even if you can charge for a custom setup in advance. If you want to discount your courses, you have the option of creating coupons. In this way, you can offer a percentage of fixed discount, and you can apply it either to specific courses or to all courses. As for the payment currency, you can choose from 20 plus supported currencies. However, you can only select currencies at your institutional level, so you can trade rares in different currencies. As for payment gateways, Learnworlds directly integrates with 5 gateways like Stripe, PayPal, 2Checkout, Shopify, and PagSeguro. For the checkout pages, Learnworld allows you to create high conversion checkout pages. To get started, you can either make a one-step payment where users can complete their purchase without first creating an account with your school, or you can also make a two-step payment. The checkout pages in Learnworlds are nice because you have several different payment form templates to choose from. In addition, you can fully customize the checkout page using the page builder. Learnworlds allows you to integrate with a dozen of third-party marketing tools, including analytics solutions, email marketing services, referral marketing tools, and so on. In addition, you have two-way integration with Zapier, so you can pass information from Learnworlds to third-party tools and vice versa. Learnworlds also has a web interceptor feature, so you have another way to integrate with third-party applications that don't have direct integrations with the platform. In terms of integrations with email tools, Learnworlds has a direct integration with 4 services: MailChimp, ConvertKit, Aweber, and ActiveCampaign. But to integrate with the others, you'll have to use the Zapier. Overall, Learnworlds does a pretty good job with sales and marketing. It has all tools you need to process payments and sell courses. Learnworlds offers beginner-friendly rates and offers several plans for customers to choose from. The first tier is the beginner's plan, and it costs $29 per month. In addition, you'll pay an additional $5 transaction fee for each course sale. In terms of features, the starter plan offers you basic features such as custom domain and limited courses, video hosting, quizzes and exams, community, adding content, and sales page builder. The starter plan is the perfect plan for you if you're just starting out and probably want to try out the platform or even launch your first online course. The next level is the Pro Trainer plan, which costs $99 per month, but no transaction fees. You also get access to additional features such as a blog, the ability to create payment and subscription plans, certificates, question banks, affiliate program management, and integration with the Zapier. The Pro Trainer plan has most of the features Learnworlds has to offer, so it should work well for most course creators. The third tier is a Learning Center plan, $299 per month, which offers additional features such as white label, mass import of learners, interactive video, copyright protection, and so on. You also have a fourth tier, which is more for business, and you'll have to contact their support team for detailed pricing information. So we showed you this fantastic tool, and we hope that you like that tool because we made it great work, and we think that this tool is pretty impressive to jump in. Thanks for watching this video. Hope you enjoyed. Have a great day, and bye-bye.